Good morning student, welcome in our today's session. In last time we see our first and second chapter. Today we are going to start our third chapter, that is linear regression. First of all, why we use the linear regression? That means we have to find the value of two variables. If one value is known, that means to estimate or to find the value of one variable using the value of another variable. That means the regression equations. Here we will find the two regression equations, that is y minus y bar is equal to bxy into x minus x bar, and the second x minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar. These are the two linear regression equations. First of all, in 11th standard we already studied the chapter that is covariance. In that chapter we also studied the concept that is variance of x, covariance of y, also mean. So first, if x and y are two variables, then how to find its mean? Then first, if x and y are two variables, then mean x bar is equal to summation xi upon n, and mean y bar is equal to summation yi upon n. These are the mean of our given observations, that is x bar and y bar. Also we find, now here we are going to find the linear regression equations. First of all, also in 11th standard we also studied about the covariance of x and y, and which is denoted by covariance of xy, which is equal to summation of xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar divided by summation of xi minus, or also we write divided by n, and the second formula for this, that is summation xi yi upon n minus x bar into y bar, product of x bar and y bar. This is the formula for covariance of xy, which we already studied in our 11th standard. Now see the next formula we are going to study in this chapter, that is regression equations. Regression equations. So first regression equation is x minus x bar. That means first regression equation of x on y. We write here regression equation of x on y. Regression equation of x on y, that is x minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar. And second, regression equation of y on x, that is y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar, which is very important. Confuse नाही करायचं दोन्हीमध्ये. x on y कुणावरती आहे? x वरती आहे. on regression equation of x on y. So x on y सफिक्स कुणावरती आहे त्याला नेहमी इथे शेवटी ठेवायचं. मग कुणाचं इक्वेशन आहे x, सो x minus x bar bxy. इथे पहा x on y, आधी कोण x आहे? x bar into y minus y bar. Here second regression equation of y on x. So write the equation of y. Then we will get this equation as in the form of x is equal to a plus by, and here this equation we will get, that is a plus bx. Regression equation of x on y is in the form of x is equal to a plus by. Hence, if we know the value of y, then we find the value of x, and if we know the value of this x, then we find the value of y. These are in the form of x is equal to a plus by, and this regression is in the form of a plus bx. Now, the bxy is called regression coefficient. Bxy is called regression coefficient of x on y. Of x on y. इथे लक्ष ठेवायचं bxy जो शेवटी असतो त्याच्यावरती रिग्रेशन असतं. bxy is called as regression coefficient of x on y, and the byx is called regression coefficient of y on x. Byx is called as the regression coefficient of y on x, and bx is called as x on y. Now we have to find the regression coefficient bxy and byx. See the formula. bxy summation xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar divided by summation xi minus x bar square. This is the formula for bxy. Here b पुन्हावरती आहे त्याच्या व्हॅरियन्सने आपल्याला डिवाइड करायचे yi minus y bar square. Also we use the formula for this, that is summation xi yi upon n minus x bar into y bar. This is also easy formula divided by summation xi square upon n minus mean of yi square. This is for bxy. That means here we define summation yi square upon n minus y bar square. This is a shortcut formula. This is also find the formula for finding the regression coefficient bxy. Summation xi yi upon n minus x bar upon y bar divided by summation yi square upon n minus y bar square. This is the formula for variance of y. Here we write the formula for variance of x and variance of y. Variance of x is what? Summation xi minus x bar square upon n. Also we write the formula for variance of x, that is summation xi yi upon n minus x bar y bar divided by summation of xi square upon n minus x bar square. This is the formula for variance of x, and this is the formula for variance of y, that is summation yi minus y bar square divided by n, or also we write summation xi yi upon n minus x bar y bar divided by summation yi square upon n minus y bar square. This is the formula for variance of x. This is the shortcut formula for finding the variance, and this is the formula for variance of y, or we use this formula also. So what is mean by bxy and byx, which is nothing but covariance of x divided by covariance of xy divided by variance of xy. Now we see the next formula, that is regression correlation coefficient of x and y. Correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient of x and y, or bxy, and is denoted by the small r, and the formula for this is covariance of xy divided by sigma x into sigma y. Sigma x and sigma y means what? That is standard deviations of x and standard deviation of y. If we have known the two values, covariance and the standard deviation, then we are going to find its correlation coefficient between x and y, which is denoted by the small letter r, and formula for correlation coefficient is covariance of xy upon sigma x into sigma y. Now we are going to start to solve our exercise number 3.1. See, first question, which is very important for me, that is regression equations. In exam we have to ask the question for 3 marks, 4 marks for given data, finding the regression equations, or finding the value of x when y is given, find the value of y when x is given, or also find the regression equations, that is bxy or byx. Exercise 3.1. See about question number 1. What is question 1 here? The HRD manager of a company wants to find a measure which he can use to fix the monthly income of persons applying for the job in the production department. As an experimental project, he collected data of 7 persons from the department referring to years of service and their monthly income. That means here we have given two columns. That is, first one is years of service and the second one monthly income, and which is in thousands. So first we have to ask, find the regression equation of income on years of service. Regression equation of income on years of service. रिग्रेशन इक्वेशन ऑफ इन्कमला काय म्हटलेलं आहे आपल्याकडे इथे वाय म्हटलंय आणि इन्कम इयर्स ऑफ सर्व्हिस इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ एक्स. दॅट मीन्स हियर वी हॅव टू फाइंड द रिग्रेशन इक्वेशन ऑफ वाय ऑन एक्स. रीड द क्वेश्चन very carefully. What we have to ask here? Equation of income on years of service. But here income is given y and years of service is x. Hence here we have to find the regression equation of y on x. So first here we construct table for this. 3.1 question number 1. X and second one is y. Xi minus x bar, and here we take yi minus y bar. Then we take xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar. The next last one is regression y on x. Since we have to take product square of xi minus x on y on x पाहिजे आपल्याला. कुणाचं इक्वेशन पाहिजे? रिग्रेशन इक्वेशन Vyx on regression equation of y on x. That is, formula for this is summation xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar divided by summation xi minus x bar square. Remember the formula for this. कुणावरती रिग्रेशन आहे? x वरती आहे, तर काय करायचं? त्याच्या व्हॅरियन्सने डिवाइड करायचं. y वरती असेल तर y च्या व्हॅरियन्सने डिवाइड करायचं आपल्याला. Write the values. First value 11 7 9 5 9 5 8 6 10. Next for 1 10 8 6 5 10 8 6 5 9 7 8. So first here, while finding these tables, we have to find its mean x bar and y bar. So first we take the sum of x and sum of y. So summation of x is 56 and summation of y is also 56. Summation x is 56. Summation y is also 56, and n is equal to total number of observations 3, 6 and 7. Therefore, first we find mean for x bar, that is summation x upon n. 56 divided by 7 is equal to 8, and mean y bar is equal to summation yi upon n, that is again 56 divided by 7, which is also 8. So here we will get the mean of x and y. So right here x bar is 8 and here y bar is equal to 8. Since we have to take xi minus x bar, म्हणजे x च्या प्रत्येक व्हॅल्यू मधून आपल्याला काय करायचं? मीन मायनस करायचा. तर तो किती? x 8. 11 minus 8 plus 3, 7 minus 8 minus 1, 9 minus 8 1, 5 minus 8 minus 3, 8 minus 8 0, 6 minus 8 minus 2, 10 minus 8 plus 2. Now here again y bar is 8. So since प्रत्येक y च्या व्हॅल्यू मधून 8 मायनस करा, कारण मीन 8 आहे. 10 minus 8 2, 8 minus 8 0, 6 minus 8 minus 2, 5 minus 8 minus 3, 9 minus 8 1, 7 minus 8 minus 1, 11 minus 8 minus plus 3. Now take the product of this xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar. 3 2s are 6, minus 1 0 0. 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus minus plus 9 0 1 0 minus minus plus 2 and 2 3s are 6. Now for finding the regression equation of y on x, we have to find the value of xi minus x bar square. So take the square of this xi minus x bar. 3 square 9. Minus 1 square is 1. Again 1 square 1. 3 square 9. 0 square 0. Minus 2 square it is 4. And 2 square again it is 4. Now we have to take the summation of these two. Take the summation of this. Summation xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar is equal to the minus 2 plus 2 will get cancelled. 6 6 are 12. 12 plus 9 that means which is 21. And see here 9 ones are 10. 10 plus again 10 that is 20. 20 plus this 8. Hence it is 28. Summation xi minus x bar. Here first question we have to find the regression equation of income on years of service. Income is 1 and years of service is said to be x. So write dyx is equal to, first question, regression equation of income that is called as a y on years of service that is x is given by of income on x, that is dyx is equal to what is formula? Summation xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar divided by summation xi minus x bar square. That is what is value of this? 21 upon summation xi minus x bar square which is 28. Since 7 3s are 21 and 7 4s are 28, if divide then it is 30. So 4 7s are 28 and 4 5s are 20. Hence the regression coefficient dyx, but it's regression equation of y on x. First we have to find its regression coefficient, then we will find its regression equation. So write the regression equation. Here this is not regression equation, regression coefficient dyx. Now find regression equation of y means income on years of service, that is y minus y bar is equal to dyx into x minus x bar. This is the formula for regression equation of y on x. So what is value of y? 8 is equal to dyx 0.75 into x as it is, minus value of x bar, mean of x bar is again 8. Therefore y minus 8 is equal to 0.75 x minus 0.75 into 8. So 8 5s are 40, 8 7s are 56, 56 plus 4 60 and 2 zeros, since it is minus 6, therefore y is equal to 0.75x and the minus 6 and the minus 8 in RHS it becomes plus 8, 0.75 plus 2. So this is a regression equation of y on x, that is regression equation of income of service on years of service is. Now see the second question. Here we have to, what initial start would you recommend for a person applying for the job after having served similar capacity in another company for 13 years? That means here we have given the income of years is years of service is 13. That means here we have given the value of x which is equal to 13 and we have to find its initial start, that means initial income which is 1. Therefore initial start y from years of service x is equal to 13. X is equal to 13. So find, therefore y is equal to 0.75 into 13. Use x is equal to 13, the plus 2 as it is. 0.75 into 13. Take the product, that is 13 5s are 65, carry 1. 13 7s are 91. 91 plus 6, that is 97. And the 2, hence it is 9.75. but the income is given in 1000. Income is given in 1000. Therefore, the initial start 1 when the years of service is, that is 0.75. See here. 9.75 and the plus 2 again as it is, since which is equal to 11.75, but income is in 1000. But income is in 1000 gives. Therefore, Y is equal to 11.75 into 1000. Therefore, the income is 11750 rupees. Therefore, if the initial start is 11,715, then the years of service is 30. Now see the next question. Means if the years of 13 is 13, then the person will get rupees 11,750. Next question number 2. Calculate the regression equation of x on y and y on x from the following data. Now here we have to find only regression equations. So next question, question number 2. Question 2. Find regression equations. That means for values of XI, YI, right value of 10, 12, 13, 17 and 18. 5, 6, 7, 9 and 13. First we have to write the next table. X and Y. First we have to find the mean of the X and Y, since we find the next column. Xi minus X bar, Y minus Y bar. Next one, the product of these two. Xi minus X bar into yi minus y bar. Here we have find both the regression equations, since we find dx by also and d by x. That means, so finding xi minus x bar square, and the second one is yi minus y bar square. To construct this table, first we have find its mean, summation xi and a summation yi. So take the summation 2 3s are 5, 5 7s are 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, which is 20. Summation 20. Here 5, 6, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 18 plus 9, that is 27, and d plus 30, hence it is 40. Summation yi 40. So finding mean, that is 70 upon n. Total observations are 5, hence it is 14, and here y bar is equal to 40 divided by 5, which is equal to 8. Hence here we get the mean of x bar is 14 and mean of y bar is 18. X bar is equal to 14 and y bar is equal to 18. मग काय करायचं, प्रत्येक x च्या व्हॅल्यू मधून मीन मायनस करायचा. 10 minus 14 minus 4, 12 minus 14 minus 2, 13 minus 14 minus 1, 17 minus 14 3, 18 minus 14 plus 4. Now mean of y bar is 8. Here values of y. So y minus 8 minus 3, 6 minus 8 minus 2, 7 minus 8 minus 1, 9 minus 8 1, 13 minus 8, that is plus 5. Next take the product of these two. Minus minus plus, again plus, minus minus plus. 3 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. Now take the square of this. Minus 4 square 16, 2 square 4, minus 1 square 1, 3 square 9 and 4 square 16. Now take the square of y minus 9, 4, 1 square is 1, again 1 square 1, and 5 squares are 25. Now take the summation of this. 12 fours are 16, 2 4 6, 7, 7 plus 4 that is 2 plus 4 6, 7, 7 plus 4 11. Since it is xi minus x bar 12 4 1, here xi minus here 3 into 1 that is 3. Since 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 3 20, carry 1 and hence it is 40. Now 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 11, 11 plus 9 11 plus 9 20, 26, carry 2 and this 2 hence it is 46. 9 plus 4 13, 14, 15, 15 and 25, again it is 40. Now first here we are going to find the bx1 and b1x. First find bx1, that is summation xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar divided by summation yi minus y bar square. bx1 इथे शेवटी कोण आहे y, तर y च्या स्क्वेअरने डिवाइड करायचं. x असेल तर x व्हॅल्यू घ्यायचं. xi minus x bar किती आला 40 divided by yi minus y bar square, again it is 40 which is equal to 1. bxy is equal to 1 and find byx. xi minus x bar ह्या दोन्ही व्हॅल्यूज फिक्स आहे न्यूमरेटर साठी. फक्त शेवटी y असेल तर y चा स्क्वेअर घ्यायचा, शेवटी x असेल तर x चा स्क्वेअर. yi minus y bar divided by summation xi minus x bar square. What is value of y minus? That is 40.46. If you take the product of this, then it is 0.85. Product is 0.87. 40 upon 46 is 0.87. Now here we will get the regression coefficient. Now we find the regression equation. Therefore, regression equation of y on x first, that is y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar. Y minus y bar, value of y bar is 8, is equal to value of byx 0.87 into x minus x bar which is 40. Y minus 8 is 0.87 x minus 0.87 and into 14. So take the product. 4 7s are 28 and 4 8s are 32 plus this 2, that is 34. 7 and 8, 8, 11 and it is 12, hence which is 12.80. Therefore y is equal to 0.87x minus 12.80 and the minus 8 here it becomes plus 8, that is 0.87x and the minus 12 point, hence it is minus 4.80. Therefore, the regression equation of y on x is 0.87x minus 4.80. Now we have to find the regression equation of x on y. Regression equation of x on y. That is x minus x bar is equal to xy into y minus y bar. X minus x bar mean is 14, dxy that is 1 into y minus 8. X is equal to y minus 8 and the minus 14, here it becomes plus. Therefore x is equal to y plus 6. Therefore here we get the two regression equation. First one is y is equal to 0.87x minus 4.80 and the second is x is equal to y plus 6. So in next lecture we see our next examples. Thank you.